Why are the weeds in my lawn turning white? Well, when I seeded, I applied a product called Scott's 3-in-1 Turf Builder that's designed for seeding. It's technically like a weed and feed, but it is the pre-emergent version that's designed to stop weeds emerging in your lawn. Now they are going to start popping up, and that's what we're seeing today, but when they do pop up, they start to die off. And what is happening is the active ingredient in Scott's 3-in-1 Turf Builder designed for seeding is mesotrione. And what mesotrione is known for doing is limiting chlorophyll production in the weed, therefore turning it white. Stands out like a sore thumb. Your seeding project is going to look awful because you got a bunch of white weeds in your lawn, and you're going to say it didn't go very well. Well, it went okay because the weed is dying off, and that's what you want. It's better than having a bunch of green weeds, dropping new seeds, like having dandelions out in your yard, just dropping a bunch more seeds into your lawn, and you're just going to be fighting that for the future. But having this product down has limited these dandelions, and any of the dandelions that are actually growing are kind of getting affected by this mesotrione, and they're not being able to bud, and they're stopping that seed population for next season. You see here these two dandelions, the white yellowish color, they haven't gone to bud, so they're just going to die off eventually. Now this will not stop any established weeds, so if you had any perennials from last year, they're not coming back. I pulled most of my dandelions, so I shouldn't have any larger dandelions coming through, which is fantastic. I do have dandelions around the edge of my property, but I don't have any in the lawn that I seeded. Now we're only 2.5 weeks since we seeded, and some bare spots out here. That's what I'm out here for. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to seed these areas or not, whether the pre-emergent is going to prevent this seed from growing or not. That's something that we're going to try out and see if we can get the seed down at the 2.5 week mark since we put the pre-emergent down, and fill in some of the bare spots. While I was doing that, I noticed that all these patches of white were popping up, and the lawn just looked terrible. Then I realized that it is actually meant to be like that, and these weeds are dying off. So when it comes to the time to mow, I think we're going to have some of these weeds under control, and we're going to have this lawn that's thriving with these weeds that are going to be completely knocked out, and any weeds that aren't knocked out, we'll be able to do a post-emergent control on them later in the season once the lawn is a little bit older and can withstand a weed application. And that's why the weeds in your lawn are turning white if you put down Scott's 3-in-1 Turf Builder designed for seeding.